All right, welcome back, guys. So NVIDIA, is it in a distribution channel right now, or is it trying to push higher? Well, today is down 1.8% so far. We still have a couple more hours trading above 900 right now. And today's lows around 885, acting as a support so far. And is it alone to to pull back slightly today? No, if you can take a look at this whole heat map of semis, Broadcom, AMD, AMAT, Lam Research, Qualcomm, Intel, Texas Instruments, Micron, these guys are all down. If you compare it with everything else in S&P 500, these guys are the ones that are getting hit harder, and it's not significant drop. If you just go back, take a look at the SOX Semiconductor Index, 2%, 2.5%, 2.2%, pretty much in line. Everything is just slightly pulling back. So what I'm watching for NVIDIA. So in my opinion, it's just in this distribution channel, and I don't think it will break out all-time highs this week. They have conference coming up next week, pretty big event anticipated, a lot of people waiting for it. AI conference, Expo, so GTC so basically if you just go to their website, it's 3-day event. Second or third day they're going to have GTC financial analyst Q&A. Also, if we take a look at the Fed watch tool, well, we have Fed exactly during that time as well, 20th of March. There's going to be FOMC meeting, so packed of events next week. But this week, well, let's jump into straight option activity. There are 4 names, big large cap names today that are down, and those are the ones that have the most option activity so far. If we take a look at NVIDIA, since we're looking at NVIDIA, second largest option volume, and it has been for quite some time actually. Every single day, if you come take a look at the highly option volume, traded stocks, this would be the one. But implied volatility, still expensive, very, very expensive stock. So today so far, 62% of the volume calls were traded, 37% puts were traded. If we go back, take a look at the chart right here. I'll switch to maybe daily chart. Well, if you're someone contrary, if you think that, okay, so it's reversing, well, ideally, yes, it is. Well, technically, it is trying to make higher lows, but it should also try to make higher highs. Otherwise, it will be in this range bound for quite some time until it breaks below or breaks out. Right now, just by taking a look at the volume, it's nothing much going on with this name. Below average volume so far. If you take a look at the option activity, yes, the flow confirming that there are bullish people coming in, buying some spreads, calls. I'm seeing May 17th, 1260, 1360, 1,900 in the money calls, 1380. Yeah, there are calls coming in. Doesn't matter what the IV, people are buying calls, and there are also puts are as well. There are puts being bought as well, but standing out orders, these ones, so people, well, maybe it will get over $1,000. I don't know, but until next week, I'm not expecting much from this stock. Maybe even I'm expecting some sort of a sell the news if it pops, because they say something in the conference. I'm going to be expecting to sell, especially after the Fed event. What I'm watching in terms of like ultra short term, just like I covered in other videos, 5-day moving average. Stock is quickly got back above. Yesterday closed above 5-day. Today is staying above 5-day, which is 895. And ideally, another support right here, 20-day moving average, 810. And the best price to pick it up would be 50-day moving average. But right here, right now, it doesn't worth chasing. It doesn't worth overpaying with options either, because implied volatility historically it's trading at very, very high levels. So that's the update for Nvidia. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.